Hi there, it's George here, and guess what today? Well, behind me it is a lemon tree in bloom, and I've decided to make a special video blooming for the second time, and that's it. And the flower smells so good. Just today did open and really enjoyed that bloom, and I hope it will produce lemons, but not sure because last year when was bloom just didn't keep any fruits, but it was the first year, and maybe this year will have some lemons, but I will see. Or maybe I had to pollinate, but I didn't, and for that reason maybe on this year I will have to pollinate, but in this video I will have to show you the beautiful blooms close up as always, and really enjoy it. It is a surprise in the morning when I see the blooms, and really enjoy it. I'm not sure if you did see the video which I did shoot in springtime when it was in bloom last year, and now we are in end of January, so it is in bloom more fast than last year. Anyways, so let's see update on it close up. And here we go, as you can see, so beautiful big lemon tree flowers, awesome. There are 3 here on this branch, and the first one open and so big and smell so fragrant, and look at it close up. I cannot focus, but I can focus a little bit. It is a beauty, just so big flower, and I will have to try to pollinate this, and then we'll see if we'll keep the fruits. Awesome. The second one is opening too, but we'll see tomorrow open, and I will post some photos on my Facebook. And the third one is here and will open in a few days, I think. But so excited to see these blooms, awesome. And I put this cherry moe tree on to be in good focus on the flowers, and it looking just amazing. And look at the size of the tree, more than 1 meter, as you can see, but not sure to cut this branch, consuming a lot of energy to a plant, and maybe it is male, not female branch. But anyway, it had some blooms here last year, and I said that last year I did bloom this lemon tree as well, but didn't keep the flowers. Maybe this year, and we'll see. And spring was in bloom. And if I will cut from there somewhere, but I'm not sure yet. And maybe this branch to cut too as well, and let one grow in the middle here, one, right? I like to grow lemon trees tall like this, but this branch just did grow like crazy, and not at the right place, so I will see. Just it should be grow from there, but something happened a few years ago, and I must cut this and stop infection, and then they started to grow another branches after I reported. That's it. As well, here another flower, as you can see here. It is awesome, right? Awesome. Happy that blooming this plant, and in my room I have around 19-20 degrees, and it's doing well, really good. Blooming more early. Now we are in end of January this time. Awesome. Let's see the blooms again, and they smell so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed my lemon tree in bloom, and that's it. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I post new videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.